Hi guys, and welcome to the Architects Workshop. I'm Lola Afton. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add shortcuts to your SketchUp model to make working in SketchUp a lot more easier. So, for example, I want to create this window for this block I'm working on. Well, when I go to work on it, I can't really see it from inside unless I bend my model out and under or remove the top, and sometimes that's not convenient. You just want to be able to isolate this model or see what's happening in and around it. So that's where shortcuts come into play. So if you go to window, right, just come to preferences, click on it, this pop-up appears. So once the pop-up appears, all you do is we're just going to type for height here. So we're going to click on, so under here, just click shortcuts. When the pop-up comes up, you click shortcuts and then you type hide in the filter so that we can find what we're looking for. And we're going to pick this edit hide rest of model. So once we've clicked on this one, I'm going to give it the shortcut Alt I, right? And I'm going to insert. So I'm just going to click OK. So I learned this from another channel. I'll try and put the link in the description. The idea is that when you use Alt with any other letter or symbol, you're able to differentiate between the ones that come pre-installed, that's the shortcuts that come pre-installed in SketchUp, and the shortcuts that you created yourself. So once you do that, you just click OK. But I still want another type of, because this, once we click Alt I for this, let's make this a group, right? We're able to hide and unhide, so just like that, right? Alt I. But assuming I want to see what's happening inside this space without having to go, without having to isolate this one, I just want to see what's going on in this space, or see the midpoint or lines and forms like that. So let's go back to window, preferences, and then I'm going to click on X-ray. So you want to be able to put it in X-ray mode. So I'm just going to click X dash, see my X-ray mode. So I'm going to give this one Alt X, all right, and I'm going to click the plus to add it, and I'm going to click OK. So when I'm working now, I can click Alt X and I'm able to see what's happening inside because I'm in my X-ray mode. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and I hope you learned something new. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share this video. See you next time, and until next time, I remain Lola Afton. Thank you.